Hello everyone. We'll come to the next topic, next chapter, relations and functions. Relations and functions. It is a continuous topic from 11th standard to 12th standard. So what are the basics we're already taken, completed from the 11th standard. Now we'll see few of the things required for the 12th. Then in that 11th standard, so what we already completed, if you're already known the sets, then what could be the Cartesian product of the sets? Cartesian product, it's like a normal product, like kind of. If A, P and Q both are two non-empty sets, then Cartesian product P cross Q is set of all ordered pairs of elements from P to Q. So how it can be written? It can be written such a manner that like P cross Q is equals to P comma Q. So P comma Q, it's an ordered pair containing two elements. First element P, P is coming from first set P, and the second Q element is coming from the second set, that is Q. So now we'll see few of the examples. So considering the examples, consider A is equals to 1 2 3 and B is equals to 4 5. So I'm taking only two elements here. Then what is the Cartesian product of A cross B? So what is the definition is given? P comma Q such that P belongs to P and Q belongs to Q. Each and every element should be considered for both the sets. So in this case, first element 1 should be taken with all the elements of B. 1 4 will come in the first, and second 1 5, next with the second element 2 4, next 2 5, next 3 4 and 3 5. So this will be the Cartesian product of A cross B when the sets A and B are given. Now for the same question, if B cross A is taken, B cross A, first element should come from set B, then consider first from B. 4 should be taken with all the elements of A. 4 1, 4 2, 4 3. So 4 1, 4 2 and 4 3. Next elements should be taken with 5 5 1, 5 2 and next 5 3. So this will be your Cartesian product. AB and BA, most of the time those are different. And we'll come to the next. Number of elements in A cross B. Number of elements in the Cartesian product. Number of elements in the first set P, number of elements in the second set is Q. Then number of elements in A cross B is equals to P cross Q. So this is your number of elements in P cross Q. Then see from here. From the first example, number of elements in A is equals to 3, number of elements in B is equals to 2, and number of elements in A cross B is equals to 3 into 2, totally 6 elements. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 elements are going to be coming here. Coming to the next important definitions. Relations. So here it is given relations. A relation R from a non-empty set A. So a relation capital R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of, so this is an important point here, it is a subset of which one? It is a subset of Cartesian product of A and B. So this subset word is important and to which it is Cartesian product of A cross B. And here second element is called image of the first element. Now we'll come to understand those points here. And a relation, so consider A is equals to 1 2 3 and B is equals to same 4 5. So these elements are taken, and consider R1 as a relation. R1 we are considering whether it is a relation or not, we will see. So I'm considering R1 as some kind of 1 comma 4 1 comma 5 2 comma 4, and I'm taking R1 like this. Then R2 also I'm considering the other one like 2 4 3 6 and 2 5. Consider R3 as 1 4 1 5 2 5. Just we understand these things here. R1 1 4 1 5 2 4. Yes, 1 is coming from the first set A, and 2 and 4 5 are coming from the second set. 1 4 1 5 2 4, which is whether it is a subset of A cross B. Yes, we can say 1 4 1 5 2 4 1 4 1 5 2 4 are the subset of A cross B. Yes, we can say R1 as a relation. So we can say R1 is a relation by the definition. Now coming to the second, R2 2 4 3 6 2 5. 2 4 is okay, 2 4 is okay, and second 3 6, where the 6 is, 6 element is not there from the set B, so this element does not lie. 6 is not coming from the set B. And 2 5, 2 5 is okay, 2 5 is also it is okay, proper element only, but this does not subset to A cross B, because B set does not containing the element 6 here, so that's why 3 comma 6 cannot be a ordered pair which is lying inside of A cross B. So R2 cannot be a relation. And 1 4 1 5 2 5 1 4 1 5 2 5, yes, it is subset to A cross B.